Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla. Alright, everyone, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla. You see it. And watch this now. Miami, Florida are the place where we're going to take a look at right now, where a young lady just witnessed her friend being arrested by police officers. Despite the fact that this young lady that has been arrested is the one that made the phone call in the first place, calling the police officer to report a gun being held at her. So to recap what I just said, young lady called police officers, make a report that a gun had been held at her. Police officers arrived and she got arrested. People are going to, people are going to ask why and how comes this happen. This is what I say, and they're going to find it weird. Me have a few points, me have a show up on this. We want to point out with you, my viewers, some want to please take a look and observe with me.
Just calm down.
You know what? She needs to be corrected, if anything.
Calm down.
All right?
Why? Why do I have to be corrected when my life was just great? And if my daughter's sick, I just want to go to the store and charge my phone.
Please stop. She didn't even do nothing.
Touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
What
do
the
not record
heck?
this.
I am. What the? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
Do not touch
Why are you
me.
doing
Do
that?
not touch me.
She's not doing nothing.
I wanted to call my kids. I just said I wanted to call my kids. My phone is dead. What do you not understand? I got a gun pointed in front of me and my kid is sick. I'm stressed out. I need to go call my children.
D. Ramos?
I need to call my kids.
What's his name?
I don't understand.
D. Ramos? Ramos, officer, what's your name, please? I'm asking you.
We're busy right now. We're busy right now.
Who can I talk to right now, please?
Please do not
Are you going to move it? I'll get you out.
Can you touch me? Can you help me up?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Really?
Does anybody have a cage?
Really?
Well, who can I speak to?
Adrian, get my hair. Adrian's getting my
Move.
hair in my purse. Can you give me a second?
Move.
Can I grab her purse, please? Why does he have to handle her like that? She didn't do anything
I
wrong.
understood, but when he's giving her orders and saying that he's being
But at
disorderly, she needs to calm down.
But she
and
wasn't
do as
being
he's saying.
disorderly, though. She wasn't being disorderly. I had the video. No, it's just him thinking he could use his authority to do what he wants to do, and that's not cool. And this shit is gonna get dealt with. Like, y'all not gonna keep abusing your authority like that. There's ways to do it and ways to say. Like, he knows she wasn't trying to get all crazy and like, she just got a gun pulled out on her. What the freak? Excuse me. You know that was not right.
I understand that she has to talk to her child, but it's a lawful order that my partner gave her, and she refused it multiple times. Therefore, she was put in custody for that, all right? I understand she is very upset because she can't talk to her child, but an investigation is going on, and she has to comply with my partner's orders. When she doesn't comply with his orders, that's what happens.
No, that's understandable, but
Look at the way you're talking. See what I'm saying?
What?
Respectful. I gave you that. Okay, now you got to remember this, ma'am. Okay? We are conducting a crime. If you're telling me somebody pointed a gun at you, it is a crime. One. Second, if she is a victim, give us a second. Let me do my investigation. We'll take it, from here. Third, how many times do I need to ask her? Calm yourself down. You are causing a scene. How many times? People are coming out. They're looking out. Is there any need for that?
no, everything did happen kind of fast. I don't know, but you were kind of in the wrong too as well, because you could have went about it a different way.
I give you that.
No, wrong answer.
You gotta remember.
Anyways, you could have went about it differently too as well, because like That was crazy. He was very understandable.
I'm understandable, but she's not understandable of him. She's telling her to calm down.
Yeah, he was telling her to calm down, but like
she kept raising her
it all happened so fast. Like
You gotta remember,
he had a way with when he was doing it. I don't believe that, so I don't care. Scratch that. On to the next.
Okay. All right. So we'll finish up the investigation on that. All right.
Is she gonna be out today?
Yeah, she will be out if she pays the bond.
Please stand by. Figure this out, alright?
So
Go ahead, stand right here. You have an eye on you.
what about her phone and her charger?
That's all gonna go with her.
Oh, okay.
The two most important part of this video right here, so, is the end and the beginning. You see me? I should have put the beginning over here and the end. You know, the two most important part. Watch this now. Firstly, I could deal with the end because being as the end is so close, you know, so near, we can just work with it because so close. You see me? Now, if you look out in the yard, you can see a whole bunch of police cars, like, you know, look like about maybe 5, you know, but there's a couple of them out there, right? And including the one where the girl been arrested, like where them put her for sit down. Now, notice, you know, the reason why so much care did in the first place, you know, is because it's a gun being reported held at her. So you know, say them now gonna take that for a joke. Police are gonna dead it as backup and all these things. Now, if you notice, when the police officer finish, you know, like when him done talk to the girl, right? Him look pan her and him said him gonna do him investigation. So him walk towards a certain point where it's not even to the car where him put the girl that has been placed for arrest. You see me I say? Him walk to a certain point where him go, like him a go round to a fence or something that look like it's basically a yard because he's about the investigation. You know? Therefore, remember it's a gun report, so therefore, right? Could it be that this young lady that had been placed under arrest came to somebody's house? It never worked out in a peaceful way, and something happened because we don't sure if it is a gun that is held. You know what I mean? That is what she claims, so you can't say it is a fact because you don't see it for yourself. You see me? Now we'll go up at the top of the video now, where we're gonna look at the part where she was in the little tantrum thing, right? You know, that's the part where get the policeman aggravated enough to take her down in such an aggressive manner. You see me I said to you. Now, the video started at a certain point, and that is the thing when we really want to point out to a lot of people that sometimes videos start at a certain point and give you an idea that might not be as how it seems because of the point where you get the video. You see me I said to you? So that's one thing we wanted to bear in mind. You know, keep up with mind. Not because I see something, but keep up with mind. I'm not saying that I'm saying that she did something wrong because I don't know. So I'm not blaming her, nor can I blame the cop, even though there's a lot of things that they are going to say about the police officer right there. So now watch this now. With this kind of arrest, social media is going to want to say racism. You know that you see that all the while online on enough platforms and all these things, you know. So you know that might be a point that them are gonna touch, right? So I say, and next point them are gonna touch is that this lady is a female, and that's not the way how them should have deal with it because it's a female, you know what I mean? But then again, me tell you, say the video start a certain way, so we don't know what happened. Right about now, this young lady is going to be charged. You know what I mean? If you listen closely, you hear when the police officer look at the other young lady and say, if she pays her bond, then she will get out by the end of the day. You see me? So at them little things there again, you know, once you're clean. Please do not resist when the police officers tell you to do something. Just obey, comply with them. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be the one on the wrong side of the law. You see me? Alright, so that's a word of encouragement from me to you, my viewers. As I say, and to recap what happened again, young lady called the police, report something that happened to her where it is a gun that pointed at her, and she got arrested instead. Why? Alright, so please tell me what you think. Let me know what you think. I just pointed out a few pointers to you. I hope you can use that in looking in this situation. You know what I mean? And as always, if you're new to my channel, you have to click the subscribe button to stay up to date, to see what's going on. You see what I'm saying? You're in and around the world, especially of Jamaica and the Dancehall Skilla channel. You know the thing, alright? My name is the Skilla, and that you just see is Dancehall Skilla ENT.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.